In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a document and share it with a friend, and where you'll find that in your Google Drive. So many times teachers are going to have you do group assignments, and they'll say one person create a document and share it with the rest of your team. So here's how you do that. Go into your Google Drive, and let's pretend we're in health class for this. I'm going to click on my health folder, and I'm going to create a new document. And I have to share it with somebody. So here's my document. First thing I'm going to do is give it an assignment. So partner assignment health. Maybe that's what it's called. And I want to share this with the other people in my group so that I don't have to do all the work. The teacher can tell who adds to this document. You can tell who adds to this document. You can all have this open and be typing on it at the same time and adding different components to it. So here's how you'll share it with your friends. You come up here to this word share. You click on it. And then you're just simply going to enter all of their email addresses. Sometimes it's easier to pass your computer around and let everybody in your group add their own email address. But you add all of the people that are in your group right here. Just add as many people as there are. You want to make sure that it says editor, not just viewer or commenter, because if it's just these, they can't add to it. Editor means that they can edit the document. We want them to be able to write on it as well. You're going to click send. So this is called Partner Assignment Health. So I can start typing on this and I will have it in my Google Drive, but I shared it with Mrs. Skyer. So I'm going to go now and show you, this is Mrs. Skyer's Google Drive. How will she locate that document? How can she find it so that she can use it as well? So she's going to go to shared with me because it was shared with her. Sometimes you have to refresh the screen a little bit. Takes it a minute sometimes. I'm going to refresh. And here it is. Jane Doe shared the partner assignment from health with me. So what I want to do now, I can open it right here as the partner. I can open it. It's going to stay in that shared with me folder unless I add it to my drive. Adding it to your drive is a really good idea because you want to add it to your health folder in your Google Drive. So as soon as it finishes loading, I'll show you how to do that. This symbol right here is the Google Drive, and it's to add it to your Google Drive. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to add it to my Google Drive so I can find it later. Now, Ms. Skyer doesn't have a health folder in her Google Drive, so she's just going to save it right here in 9th grade English. So I click on it, add shortcut, okay, now it's there. So Ms. Skyer can type on this document. We've got Jane Doe typing on this document over here. And both of us now have it in our Google Drive folders where we can locate the assignment. We can all turn the same assignment in. Maybe your teacher will just have one person turn it in. It doesn't matter. It's in everybody's Google Drive and everybody has access to it.